It is officially Mardi Gras season, and with Mardi Gras season means that there are food booths going up around the park. That means there's Mardi Gras decorations coming up. It also means that Rock the Universe decorations are going up as well, and we are going to check those out today. So let's hop inside the park, let's see what's new. So come on and join me. Well, this is my first time doing a vlog solo in a while. It's just me by myself today. No Angie, no Joey. They're not here, but that's okay. All right, let's get inside the park. It's January, they still have the pass holder entrance going. So let's head over here. Inside the park, before we go any further though, let's see what the wait times are today. See, 25 for Simpsons, 20 for Transformers, Villain Con 35, Gringotts 35, ET 10, Fast and Furious 10. So, I mean, not too bad. Rip Ride is delayed. Probably because of weather, but I mean, I don't see any bad weather. Alright, let's move on. So we're going to head down Hollywood Boulevard because, you know, we got to start there. Got to see the Five and Dime. Also, there is a new truss put up for the Tribute Store. The entrance to the Tribute Store for the facade. So we're gonna have to go over there and see that, see what that looks like. And let's talk about the Tribute Store here in just a minute because really, we don't have many details. It is kind of a strange day today. It's kind of busy and it's kind of not at the same time, which is fine by me. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of getting to that slow season if there really is still one. And the Brown Derby shop is closed once again. I don't know what's gonna happen here. It was like a little toy store there for a little while. They've changed it over quite a bit. But let me know down in the comments what you think they should change this into. Maybe, just maybe, a small pass holder lounge for over here on Universal side. That would be cool. So this is interesting because usually this is the entrance for the Tribute Store over here on Hollywood Boulevard. But it looks like they may have moved it. Let's look over here. So right over here at Williams of Hollywood, here are some trusses up for what looks like it's going to be the facade for the Tribute Store, but I don't know if that is the case. And I only say that because there's another truss right over here next to it. There's no doors here. So I don't know if that's just something they're going to put over there tomorrow or tonight afterwards. This could be a grand exit. As you can see here, this is blocked off right now because this is where you would exit from the last Tribute Store. You'd actually exit out this way, right through here is where you would exit. So I'm not really sure what they're doing with that, but hey, I thought originally back in the day when we were talking about this becoming the Tribute Store, that this is going to be where you would enter in from. It kind of makes sense, but it seems backwards to me. But this year, we know that the parade is actually going to go backwards too. Yeah, so let's talk about this for just a second. Universal released a map showing all the food booths and where you're going to be able to go. Almost like a Halloween Horror Nights map. It also showed on the map an interesting thing. It was like a parade route. And it actually is going backwards this time instead of starting right over here and going around. So kind of give you an idea of just a second of how it's going to go. So maybe that makes sense of why it's kind of backwards. Maybe that's the theme. Everything's kind of backwards. Oh Lord, Beetlejuice is out. So normally the parade route will start here, which it's still going to start here, and it'll go down this way down Hollywood Boulevard. But this year, it's going to start here like normal, and then it's going to turn and go this way. Oh yeah, here's a stage by the way. And we show it every year right here beside Cafe La Bamba. Here is one of the stages for Rock the Universe, which is this weekend. I'm not sure if I'll be attending or not. The Royal Rumble is this Saturday. But hey, this is pretty cool. They set this up every year, and it's really cool how they set it up and then tear it down so quickly, just in time for Mardi Gras, because Mardi Gras is not this weekend, but next weekend. And they have the sound booths back here too, getting ready to, no pun intended, rock Universal. Rock the Universe, so that's pretty cool. Wonder if they have the stage set up over on Delancey Street. But before we do that, we gotta stop at Battery Park and we gotta check out the construction going on over here for the nighttime show. Some people working on it actually right now. That's cool. No confirmation of what this is and when it's gonna happen, but we know something's happening. Oh, this is nice and new. Look at the lights hanging down here. String lights here. This is nice. Gotta give it a definite vibe. I mean, obviously this might be just for Mardi Gras, but I mean, I love string lights. I think they're really cool. I actually need to get some for my porch. But yeah, these are hanging up here. It's cool. Now, we don't know all of the food that's coming to Mardi Gras this year. We do know we're getting the beignets back. We're getting the crawfish boil. We're getting everything back like that. But I'm interested to see what is new. I also know we're getting the schnitzel back this year, which I actually think is happening right here at Battery Park. But I cannot wait to try the food. It's going to be a fun day. And of course, they'll be doing the lanyard this year too, which is really cool. We'll have to give you all that info once it comes out. Still, one of the best kept secrets here at Universal is Sting Alley. I love it. Make sure you check it out. A lot of people don't come through here because they think it's like backstage, but it's not. It's actually right over here by the Transformers attraction. You just walk right over here and walk through here. And of course, they have nice seating back here too, which is cool. All around here. I've shown this like 1,000 times, but I still love this area and come back here as much as I can. I'm wondering if they're not going to put a booth back here this year. So it was kind of crowded during HHN and Mardi Gras last year, but I don't know. Usually it goes right there, but there's nothing there yet. Yep, and I was right. They sure do have it set up. The Coca-Cola Fan Zone stage over here on Delancey Street. They have it every year. I actually really like this stage. It's pretty cool. Yep, they've set it up here again. You can see all the lights are set up, ready to go. All the little sound booths here. It's going to be a cool night. You guys should come and check it out. All right, coming up to our first booth here, Columbia. We don't know what's going here yet, but this is pretty cool. This is right in front of the old Tribute store and right where the Christmas tree usually goes, which is like right here. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. I like the colors of it. What's cool about this booth is it actually isn't a tent. It actually wraps completely around. It's a full booth. Oh, that's cool. Let's head down Park Avenue. Looks like we have a couple down here as well. So I am loving this. This is pretty cool. Look at these two. That's awesome. Looks just like buildings in New Orleans. And I would assume this is what this is supposed to be, buildings in New Orleans. Which looks really cool. Look at the little planters over here too. Little planters down there. That's pretty cool. And we have no menus yet. That's coming. We're going to do a full video on that when they come up. Which is probably going to be either later this week or next week. But I love it. And they also have some picnic tables out here too, getting ready for the event. It's going to be awesome, but I just wanted to point this out again. No tents this year. It's completely covered. That is cool, man. That's nice. And it even has a fully operational door. Two more booths over here, you can see. This is going to be the French Quarter area. This looks good. Both of these look really good. Man, this makes me excited. I am so ready for Mardi Gras. It's going to be a lot of fun this year. We cannot wait to experience it. I don't know why, but this is my favorite one so far. I just love the colors of it, the blue and the yellow. It's really cool. It kind of goes with Minions, right? Maybe that's what they're doing to go along with Minions. But I love the look of it. And of course they have light trusses up here for at night for the parade. You can see that one as well. So they're getting ready, man. We're really close. Oh, that's kind of nice. It's red on the side. I didn't even see that till just now. But no menus over here as well. So like I said, we're still waiting. Probably later this week or next week. And already some tables set up over here for them to get ready for it because it's going to be an event. These streets are going to be lined up with people trying to get beignets, king cakes, whatever. They're getting it ready. No light pole toppers yet with the little Mardi Gras hats. Usually that comes here soon. But we'll be back out here before too late. Now you're probably asking me why all this hype for just food booths and stuff like that. It's the change of seasons and everything new that's coming that gets me really excited. Like Universal is always changing things up. The new seasons that come, it's just kind of cool to know that their festivals are coming back and they're doing this because you get such a long period, I feel like, of just nothing. And then when the Mardi Gras event starts, it's pretty exciting. Even though like I feel like Mardi Gras is probably not my favorite out of the events. Halloween Horror Nights is definitely my favorite, and the Christmas celebration or Grinchmas. But overall, it's just exciting and fun to come out here and speculate about what's going to happen and what the next booth is going to be. I love it. I enjoy every bit of it. And for Rock the Universe, they're getting the stage ready to go. Everything being prepared, all the trusses up, everything up like that. It's looking good though. It'll be done here in a couple of days. Oh yeah, and also we got the Mardi Gras concert lineup we need to talk about too. And last truss I'm going to show you for today. Here's the one set up right outside. It's probably going to have a banner over here that says all the Mardi Gras concerts that are happening and maybe Rock the Universe, but usually they have like a little display over here somewhere showing all the Mardi Gras concerts that are coming. Let's go into the studio store as we're leaving. Let's see if there's anything new in here. So I was hoping there'd be some Rock the Universe t-shirts, but I am not seeing those right now. Just the same Universal Studios merch. I love that. I gotta break down and get that jacket. It's so sweet. And that hat as well. It's pretty awesome. I did not show this last time, but here is the Minions Year of the Dragon shirt. It's pretty cool. And we showed this little guy last time as well. But nothing really new in here that I can see. Huh. The globe is still not spinning again today. Wonder what's going on with it. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I don't know. Still looks cool though. And one more last look at the Mardi Gras tree before we head out today. You can still see there are some beads still left on it from last year. Pretty soon it's going to be full of them once again. Okay guys, so that was my day out at the park here at Universal. Had a good day, had some fun checking out all the brand new stuff. I mean, it's always fun to come out here and see what is new and everything that has changed. But before we leave, I wanted to go over the Mardi Gras concert lineup for you this year. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm not familiar with a lot of these, even though I've seen a lot of people say that this is a really good lineup this year. I'm just not familiar with a lot of these. So we have February 3rd, Walker Hayes. February 10th, All American Rejects. I know who they are. February 17th, Elle King. And then February 18th, KC and the Sunshine Band. February 24th, Bare Naked Ladies. March the 2nd, DJ Khaled. March the 9th, Ava Max. March 10th, Queen Latifah. March 16th, Louis Fonsi. And March 17th, Zed. So there is your concert lineup for Mardi Gras 2024. It's a little more than last year. Last year was felt like it was over just like that. So we do have more artists this year, which is really cool. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a really exciting time. Now remember, these concerts happen after the parade. So you have the parade happen and then you'll just make your way over to the concert area to watch these concerts. It's going to be awesome. But let me know down in the comments if you are attending Rock the Universe this weekend. I don't think we're going to. I mean, we may end up doing it last minute. Who knows? But I don't think we're going to attend. But let me know if you're going this year, if you're excited about it, who you're excited about. I know if I was going, Lecrae would be the one that I was excited about. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. Also, check out this video. In the last video, it's kind of like my passion project. We talk about what if Lord of the Rings comes to Epic Universe. Whenever they do an expansion, you'll want to check that one out. I think it's going to be really fun for you guys to watch. And it's a really cool concept and idea and rumor. It's going to be awesome if it ends up being true. Make sure you check that out because we have a lot of fun ideas there. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, the road goes ever on. I will see you next time.